Just beyond the edge of the Pacific, where ocean waves meet California dreams, stands one of the most iconic landmarks on the West Coast, the Santa Monica Pier. Its story begins in 1909 when the city of Santa Monica built the first section of the pier. Not for fun, but for function. It was originally designed to carry a sewage pipeline out past the breakers, far from the shoreline. No amusements, no Ferris wheel, just wood, water, and engineering. But Southern California is no stranger to reinvention. Just 7 years later, in 1916, entrepreneur Charles Loof, one of the great amusement pioneers, saw potential in the pier's scenic location. He built a second adjacent pier designed purely for entertainment. It became the home to a grand carousel, a dance hall, and a roller coaster called the Blue Streak Racer. The Santa Monica Pier was no longer just practical, it had become magical. Over the decades, the pier weathered storms, shifting tides, and changing times. It was a haven for servicemen during World War II, a backdrop for Hollywood films, and a nostalgic destination for generations of Californians and tourists alike. But not everything came easy. By the 1970s, the pier had fallen into disrepair. City officials even proposed tearing it down to make room for new developments. But the people of Santa Monica had other plans. A massive public outcry saved the pier, and in 1983, after severe storm damage threatened its future again, the community rallied to restore and rebuild it. What followed was a renaissance. Today, the Santa Monica Pier is home to Pacific Park Amusement Park, featuring the world's only solar-powered Ferris wheel, as well as the historic Loof Hippodrome, an aquarium, street performers, restaurants, and panoramic views that stretch from Malibu to Palos Verdes. It's a place where surfers paddle out at dawn, lovers stroll at sunset, and kids love the crashing surf. It's where California's past meets its endless summer spirit. So whether you're drawn by nostalgia, neon lights, or the sound of waves against the pilings, the Santa Monica Pier isn't just a place on a map, it's a piece of living history, still spinning, still shining, over a century later.